If you are in the market for shipping services, you may have heard of FTL Freight shipping. It is a type of shipping that can be beneficial for businesses that need to move large quantities of goods quickly and efficiently. In this video, we will discuss some of the benefits of using FTL Freight shipping and how it can help your business grow. What is FTL Freight? FTL Freight stands for Full Truckload, a type of shipment that entails the entire contents of a truck being loaded onto one trailer for transport. FTL shipping is beneficial because it allows businesses to move large quantities of goods simultaneously, thus saving time and money in the long run. FTL shipments also come with various benefits that can help your business grow. Full truckload shipment is often more cost-effective than other freight shipping methods since less fuel is used and fewer drivers are needed to transport the goods. FTL shipments also provide greater security for your goods since they are less likely to be lost or damaged in transit. In addition, it allows quicker delivery times due to its direct route and the fact that it does not have to make multiple stops like regular freight shipments. FTL shipping is also more reliable than other methods since it has fewer chances of delays due to weather or traffic. Top 5 benefits of full truckload freight shipping. Truckload shipping has been around for decades, but FTL Freight is still one of the most cost-effective, reliable, and efficient methods of shipping goods. Here are the top 5 benefits that you can expect from FTL shipping. Cost savings. FTL Freight carries goods in bulk, making it more economical than other shipping methods. FTL shipping can save up to 50% compared to less than truckload shipment. Speed. FTL Freight is shipped directly from point A to point B with no stops. It makes FTL shipping faster than LTL or parcel shipping, which usually involves stops and multiple transfers. Reliability. It is more reliable than parcel or LTL because they are less prone to delays, damage, and theft. FTL shipments also require fewer handoffs, decreasing the chances of something going wrong. Fewer restrictions. FTL Freight is not restricted by weight, size, or value like LTL and parcel shipping, so you can ship larger packages with FTL without incurring additional costs. Trackability. FTL shipments are trackable throughout their entire journey. It makes it easy to keep track of FTL Freight and ensure it is delivered on time. Speaking of tracking FTL Freight, whether you are shipping locally or internationally, it is important to keep an eye on your FTL shipments. Here's a tool we highly recommend for tracking your shipments. Affiliate disclaimer. Freight Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Thank you. Learn more. Motive has everything you need to ensure that your delivery goes off without any hitches. With their easy-to-use app, drivers can track hours and get an inspection report on the go. No more wasted time or stressed-out customers. Check out Motive today. Check out our previous video to learn more about shipping and receiving operations. Difference between FTL and LTL. LTL shipping stands for less than FTL Freight or less than truckload. FTL Full Truckload is the opposite of LTL and means that an entire truck will be dedicated to fulfilling a single order. FTL is useful when you have large shipments that require expedited delivery. These two are different in size and cost, making FTL a better option for bigger loads. Here's a breakdown of FTL versus LTL. Size. FTL can transport large shipments that require more space than a single truck can provide, unlike LTL, which is limited in scope. Cost. FTL shipping tends to be more expensive because you're paying for an entire truck, while with LTL shipping, you only pay for the space your shipment takes up in the truck. Time. FTL shipping is often faster than LTL since it's a dedicated delivery, unlike LTL, which can have multiple stops. Speed. FTL is often faster than LTL because there is no need to consolidate cargo with other shipment. So if you are looking to ship large and time-sensitive items quickly, FTL Freight is the best option. But if you're looking to save money and don't need your items delivered right away, LTL could be a better choice. Either way, FTL or LTL Freight can get your items where they need to go. LTL and FTL shipping are great ways to deliver your items safely and on time. Types of full truckload freight shipping. FTL shipment comes in many forms, but they all have one thing in common: they are shipped in a single truckload. Here are the main types of FTL freight shipping. Dry van FTL. This is the most basic form of FTL shipping. This method involves a dry van trailer that can carry goods up to 45,000 pounds and usually maxes out at 53 feet in length. Flatbed FTL. This type of freight shipping is designed for large, bulky items that don't fit inside a standard dry van. It's ideal for shipping items such as construction materials, steel pipes, and heavy machinery. Refrigerated FTL. Refrigerated FTL is the way to go if you're shipping items requiring temperature control, This type of FTL comes with a specialized reefer trailer with temperature control option. Intermodal FTL. This FTL shipping method uses 2 or more transportation modes, such as rail and road, to move freight from origin to destination. It is usually the most cost-effective FTL option for long-distance shipments. To learn more about the benefits of using trucking services, check out our previous video. How much does it cost to avail of FTL Freight? Shipping costs for FTL Freight vary depending on the size and weight of your cargo and any special requirements. FTL shipping generally costs more than LTL shipments due to higher fuel consumption per mile and strict time frames for delivery. Shipping rates may also be increased due to capacity constraints in certain areas or seasons. However, FTL shipping is still the fastest and most reliable way to get your cargo from point A to point B. For reference, the costs may range depending on the cargo weight, size, and location. FTL costs start around $2 per mile for short hauls and can reach up to $5 per mile for more extended journeys across the country. Get in touch with an FTL freight provider to get an accurate quote for your shipment, as they can factor in any additional fees or discounts. It is usually more cost-effective to ship FTL than multiple LTL shipments, as FTL shipment usually results in a single delivery fee. FTL also ensures greater reliability due to the lack of transloading and less handling of your cargo. The future of FTL Freight. FTL carriers have been around since the dawn of time, but they're on the verge of a significant revolution. FTL Freight has made incredible advancements in recent years, and this trend will only continue. With modern technology, FTL carriers can offer faster transit times, improved customer service, and more competitive rates than ever before. FTL Freight can now get your goods to their destination in a fraction of the time, which is great news for anyone who needs their products delivered quickly and efficiently. So if you're looking for an FTL carrier, look no further, the future is here. There are also promising careers in FTL Freight as technology evolves and the industry adapts. The future of FTL Freight is bright, and it's time for you to get on board. With faster transit times, better customer service, and competitive prices, FTL Freight is sure to revolutionize how we transport goods. So if you're ready for the future, FTL Freight is the way to go. Get on board and get your business moving. To learn more about the future of modern transportation, check out our previous video. Final thoughts. Freight transportation is an integral part of the global economy, allowing goods to be distributed worldwide. FTL Freight plays an important role in this process, allowing large volumes of goods to be transported at once. FTL Freight can help reduce costs by decreasing the number of trips needed for each shipment. Additionally, FTL Freight offers a more reliable service than other forms of freight transportation, ensuring that goods arrive on time and in the right condition. Businesses should take the time to understand FTL Freight and how it can benefit their operations. FTL Freight offers cost savings, reliability, and a variety of other advantages that make it an attractive option for businesses looking to move goods quickly and efficiently. By leveraging FTL Freight services, companies can get ahead of the competition in today's fast-paced business environment. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: Freight Chain provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional advice. You should always consult a freight shipping expert before making any decisions.